In this video we are going to make this type of animation in After Effects. Let's open any PSD file in After Effects. Import as layers. Now adjust your layers. Click on New. Choose Solid. On this solid layer click on Effect. Choose Video Copilot. It may take some time. Here you can import 3D model. You must have OBJ or Cinema 4D file. Click Import and choose File Location. Choose 3D model. It will be imported but without texture. Now click on Material and here click and choose Image of Texture. Texture will be loaded. Now click OK. You can adjust 3D model by dragging the mouse. Or you can choose value from below. You can increase or decrease size. Change its direction. After that click on OK. Model will be imported but you need to adjust it. Every time you need to click on Setup Scene to make changes. It is time-taking process, but if you cannot do this you can simply use latest After Effects version where 3D feature is enabled and you do not need third-part plugin. After one adjust model that we need to animate it. Here I am using another After Effects plugins to animate it. I will tell in another video about this. Here you can choose any animation. You can select any animations. Every time when you click do not forget to delete previous animation if you applied. Otherwise result will be disturbing. I choose this. See how model animate. You can customize animation, delete it, and also can copy and apply to other element. You can play with all these complex animations. Subscribe to my channel. All is you need Element 3D plugin if you are using older version of After Effects. In After Effects 2024 and 2025 this 3D feature is built in but it require high-end PC with graphic card to run. You can use same method to animate any product or social media post.